Okay, next one up, Honda NC750S. This is a returning client who did have a lovely KTM 790 Duke, which has since been stolen and written off. So this is his little workhorse he has just recently picked up. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets with the XCP corrosion protection. We'll get all these discs, all this crap cleaned up. More than anything, like I said, get some protection on it. We'll get all that old chain lube off, do something with this rusty sprocket. A little bit of Trot TLC will go a long way on this. So yeah, give us a couple hours, polish up that windscreen, get it looking like it should. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This NC750 has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. Meticulously cleaned all these wheels, all these discs, got all the rust off. Everything's been XCP'd afterwards, mirror polished up all the exhaust, all the rear disc, all up underneath. Just did a single stage polish on all this bodywork. Took the windscreen off, polished that up. Yeah, looking 10 times better. Got that chain all lubed up. Sort out that rear sprocket. All done in 2 hours. Trot full Monty. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.